The ceremonies are extremely safely conducted and compassionately held. At any point, if you need any help, if you need anybody to be there for you, there's always somebody available. I've got this intuitive calling. I didn't know where I was going to come, but I booked my flights to come over here, and then this place was recommended to me, and it ticked all of the boxes that I was personally looking for. I was very clear on the fact that I wanted it to be in Peru, in the Amazon, with indigenous shamans, and that I wanted it to be comfortable. My experience here has been very comfortable. The attention to detail in this place really impressed me. It was immaculate. The staff are constantly working with cleaning and not interfering with our processes that we're going through, and the whole experience just feels incredibly safe and healing. It's not an easy process to go through, but the container that you're in here makes it the perfect place for you to do a process that is incredibly difficult to do, and I just feel incredibly grateful that I got to experience this.